Here are the main elevators in the Hamm building in St. Paul. Now check this out. If you go down here, those were Dovers. And they still are Dovers. There's like some theater down here, it's weird. If you go down here, to the right, there are some more elevators. These were Westinghouses. And these got a Dover mod and a ThyssenKrupp mod. Look at these. Going to go up to 3. Here we go. Oh, the traction, I forgot. These would have been much cooler if they were original. You're at 3. Look at that Westinghouse storage truck. Now we can ring the bell. Oh, that's been replaced. That looks cool. They kept the lanterns though. See, what's now? You know. Oh well. This bun's been kind of beat up. Is that water? This looks like water. Anyways, your COP, newer ThyssenKrupp traditional buttons with the 88 phone, 2,500 pound capacity. These are very cool cabs, probably the original cabs based on that floor. This COP has no indicator. We're at the lower level, button already went out. Let's try the other one real quick. To M. It's interesting these have impulse. So I'm guessing these got a Dover mod as well. Probably when the other ones were installed, is my guess. That's cool. Here's this one. I'll take one spin on this. 3. Here we go up. Gotta love that Dover buzz. Seems like those are the original doors. Here we go down to LL. This one's a little darker. Kind of hear the machines. There's the camera. Here we go, LL. We're gonna end it on M. So they replaced. Actually, let's stop at 1 for a second. I'll show you something. So I am curious if these were Dovers. I think they were. So you replaced the lanterns, the indicators, and the call buttons on this floor. But anyway, we're going to end this on M. Here at M. And this is the mezzanine floor. Let's see if we can. Let's ring the up. That's an old chime. Let's see if the other one will open. Oh, yep. That chime's been replaced. Anyway, there goes that one. And there goes that one. That'll be it.